10 years after a Rowan County toddler died under suspicious circumstances, a man charged in the child's murder, who says he wants to clear his name, is still waiting to go to trial.
LEX 18's Lee Searcy talked to Brian Gallagher, who's back in court again today.
March 30th marked 10 years since 2-year-old Nathaniel Jones died from what doctors and investigators called blunt force trauma. Since the beginning, Brian Gallagher has said a calf stepped on the child, causing the internal injuries that later killed Nathaniel. But 10 years later, Gallagher is still waiting to clear his name.
Something I didn't do.
Both Gallagher and the child's mother were charged with murder and criminal abuse. Tia Jones has already pled to the lesser charge of criminal abuse. Gallagher says that is not an option for him.
I would go to prison, something I didn't do. I wouldn't take a plea on this, no. You can't make somebody plea that didn't do nothing wrong.
The case is delayed again while a special prosecutor gets up to speed on the case. Gallagher says 3 hospitals overlooked an infection in the child, who died after the initial trauma. But investigators reported that 2 doctors found there was evidence of child abuse. It's a complicated case, a crime Brian Gallagher claims he didn't commit, despite feeling the wrath of public opinion all this time.
Lost a lot of years. You know, a lot of people look at me different. Some don't, some does. They don't know the real truth.
Covering the news in Rowan County, Lee Searcy, LEX 18 News.